Uthathauri uyu wa munene wa watho ukite thiku nini thutha wa wakiri agwataniro ya NASA kuga matuku 60 magini kiriria gutari na githurano gia gucokerwo no kumbirwo thirikari ya ihinda makiuga president ndetikiritio ni gatiba guthie na mbere. Munene wa watho Githu Muigai agithathaura ndeto ino ni ateterithirie ati kuringana na gatiba ya bururi thirikari iria iri kuo ya Uhuru Kenyatta iri na hinya wothe kuringana na gatiba wa gutwarithia na mbere utongoria wa bururi kingiaga riria gukagia na mutongoria ungi.
There is no room for doubt as to what the Constitution provides. From the day a general election is declared to the day a fresh or a new president or a re-elected president is sworn in, government continues without lacuna, without any void.
Oho Muigai niugite ati Raila kwaga kunyita itemi githurano-ini gia tariki 26 githurano gitikagia na igeca ona gikingathiria tondu ni wendi wa mundu gukorwa githiire veine guthurana kana guthurwo.
An election is an opportunity to provide parties and individuals an opportunity to offer themselves to the electorate. It is not compulsory that any of the parties who initially put his name forward must participate. As you know, there are many candidates who ultimately don't show up on election day. Not to my knowledge, no election has ever been invalidated on the basis of where was the other party on election day.
Githu Muigai akiongerera ati ona githurano kingi kingiaga gukorwo gitabanio kwa ihinda ria thiku 60 ta uria gatiba yugite na kuringana na watho wa igoti karu. Gatiba ya bururi nditikiritio na ati akumbo gwa thirikari ingi otigeria irikuo ineanira matamu motongoria kuri thirikari iria gikorwo icaguritwo ni ya Kenya.
The president remains in office with his full executive powers, except that he may, and then I said that out to you. The idea that the president could remain in office in perpetuity is obviously false, because the presidency must be renewed by a new election. Now, as far as we're concerned, that election will be held on the 26th of October. Let us assume in the remotest possibility that the election is not held on that day. Then the election must be held on a day following that is appointed by the Electoral Commission, guided by the Supreme Court and the other organs.
Munene wa watho ni oritie gwataniro ya NASA itiga kuhitithia muingi na ciigie gatiba kuona watho ni witariirie guo mwene.